Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft Intune app deployment notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Use your administrative credentials to access the portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, locate that App Notifications option. Click on it to open the App Notifications settings. Here, you will see options for managing notifications related to app deployments. Select Add to create a new notification subscription for app deployments. You will be prompted to enter the necessary details. Provide a friendly name for your notification subscription for easy identification. Next, choose the specific platforms for which you want to receive notifications, such as iOS, Android, or Windows. Once you have made your selections, it's time to configure notification preferences. Specify the email addresses of users who should receive these deployment notifications. Make sure to separate multiple email addresses with a semicolon. After filling in the required fields, review your settings for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to submit your notification subscription. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the subscription has been created successfully. To manage existing subscriptions, return to the App Notifications section. Here, you can edit or delete any existing notification subscriptions as needed. Regularly check your notification settings to ensure they align with your organization's requirements. This completes the process for subscribing to Microsoft Intune app deployment notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.